Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily remove member from channel or how to kick someone from channel. So when I'm going to be here and I'm going to like open Slack here, right? And what you want to do is simply this: remove, and then you just add the user that you want to remove it from, right? Like this one here. I actually wish to remove, and you just press yes, remove them. So again, you go / remove, and then you just add this, I don't know how it's called in English, and you just choose someone that you want to like kick from the channel. So thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.